pwede kunin.
Water, may baby. Nagkakagulo sila.
So, matutulog ba tayo or hindi? Hindi tayo matutulog. Anong gagawin natin?
Magdi-dinner na.
Yes, kakain namin.
Ano ulam? Ano ulam?
Ang expectation ko ay adobo.
Sinigyan yung naaamoy ko kanina.
Ate, lumulog ba na result?
Okay, yung fish. Yung fish, matinik siya. As you can see, ayun may tinik. Niluwa ko nga eh. Tumusok siya. Pero it's good. So, anong rate? 7. Okay. Yung na yan.
Okay, clear chicken soup. Okay.
Ano sa Tagalog?
Okay na. Malinis na manok. Lasa siyang sabaw ng pansit. Yun. So, it's just 5 lang. 5. Ito, ayan. The icing. Creamy. It's okay. 8.5.
Alam mo ba, kasi meron nakatapon ng cake doon.
Uy, hindi na naglalagay.
Grabe.
Ay, guys.
May naka-jacket. Gagastos. Sino yung 200 pa yung order? Siya pa yung 200. Hindi nag-swimming pero nagkape. Magkano yung swimming? Magkano yung kape?
2 hours natin sila. 2 hours natin silang iba-backstop.
Ayan, ay, grabe naman yan. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Hyper.
Elijah up to heaven in a whirlwind. He and Elisha were on their way from Gilgal. Elijah said to Elisha,
The Lord be with you. Good luck, my friend.
Thank you so much. Pengi ako po. Thank you so much.
Parang ayaw na natin, ano? But that even in our
to those stores when we first arrived. Tama ba? I know most of us ay dumating dito ng may mga pasan-pasan.
Bye guys! Parang hindi magpa-practice bukas. Para bang sa ibang bansa yun siya. Pwede pala mag-ipin ng gamit ko. Alay na sinubay.
Favorite set yan eh.
Favorite dessert yan. Ayun.
Ayan na. Come on! Hey!
Kaka-retreat lang ah. Ba't malungkot?
Madumating simula nung nag-retreat na yan. Oh, eh.
I have 040117.
Yung mga tropa ko wala pa.
Doon na yan.
Early bird kami.
Lahat din po na nakapark dito sa
program specialists, journalism, integrity, and excellence. Together with the responsibilities of helping, caring, and student is not just a celebration of achievements, but resilience and commitment to serve. We have
Ano pa, mga 30 minutes pa bago ako. Malapit pa kami. Natayo na daw.
Kalunga Emiros S. Camacho J.E. Rose B. Service Award. Karamdang Andrea Clarice C. Service Award. Service awarding. Venezuela Mira Irene Tan. Each graduate's uniform serve as a symbol of their dedication, perseverance, and commitment.
Be guided by academic leaders who have dedicated themselves.
Graduation na! Tapos na! June 30 na yung next graduation!
Baccalaureate Day. It's Baccalaureate Day.
Hindi lamang ng mga matatalino, kundi may malasakit sa kapwa-tao.
My breath still haven't processed.
Ano yung run? Ano yung run?
Ngayon ko lang kayo ikikis. Ayaw niyo magpakis.
On the hook, and I nearly called out. Then the silence hit me full of shadows and doubt. We were side by side in the rain and the grit. Now I'm standing here trying to make sense of it. The ends feel empty, the air feels thin, like the world's lost.
Tapos na! Picture na kami dun sa field. Dun o.
Whole different path. I felt your energy ripple through the room like a flower that's decided it's time to bloom.
The girl. Outfit check, outfit check. Gagawin niya dito kami siya.
Gagawin namin tayo ng recipe. Madamot na kasi.
Kaya na mag-isip ko ano.
Bilisan mo. Wala naman ng order tayo ni huli. Wala pa sila hiling.
Bakit nag-uusap? Nag-exam ah?
Oo, gagawin mo. Gagawin ko dyan, may sagot na ako.
Ayun, okay. Sige, kailangan. Ayun.
Here na.
Oh, sunod mo na.
Suboy mo na buo.
Uy, mag-tutorial ka din. Wala pa rin sila hiling. Gusto ko na kumain ng shout. Lena!